Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss one of the previous year question from MCET examination. Before solving the question, we request you to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video will be uploaded. Please share with your friends. If you have any problems, you both can discuss and solve the problems. So let us move on to question. In the question, it is said that an aluminium sphere of 20 cm diameter is heated from 0 degrees to 100 degrees Celsius. It means that initially there is a aluminium sphere of 20 cm diameter and at 0 degree Celsius. Now this sphere is heated to 100 degrees Celsius. We have to find out the volumetric change, that is the total change in the volume of sphere due to thermal expansion. And in the question it is given that the coefficient of linear expansion. See, you have to focus on this one, very important, linear expansion, but we have to find out volumetric change, that is given coefficient of expansion is only linear, but we have to find out three-dimensional change, that is volumetric change. Now let us solve this problem. We know that volumetric change is equals to original volume into 3 into linear expansion. 3 into linear expansion, because we are going to find out the volumetric change which is in 3 dimensions. So 3 into linear expansion into change in temperature. We know original volume because the diameter of sphere is given, that is 20 cm, and linear expansion is coefficient of linear expansion is also given, and a change in temperature is also given, that is 100 minus 0 degrees. Now moving further, if you look at this one, volume of sphere is given by 4 upon 3 pi r cube into 3 times of alpha, that is 3 times of 23 into 10 power minus 6, and change in temperature is equals to 100 minus 0. This is delta T, because final temperature is 100 and initial temperature is 0. If you substitute all the values, it will be 4 by 3 pi 10 cube, that is R. In question, the diameter is given, so you have to convert into radius, that is diameter upon 2, it will become 10 cube, then 3 times of linear expansion into change in temperature. If you solve this one, you will be getting volumetric change, that is 28.9 cc, which is option number 2. Remember, units are very important here, because in options you have two values which are similar to each other, only there is a difference of point here. See, okay, so you have to mind the units while solving the problem. We are considering here centimeter directly, because in options it is asked in cubic centimeters, so it will be better to solve with centimeters. Thank you for watching the video. Please share with your friends.